2 months ago, I uploaded a simple 15-page digital guide to an online marketplace. It wasn't fancy or high-tech, just a clean design, valuable content, and the right keywords. Within the first week, I made $350. Unbelievable, right? And the best part is, it's been selling every single day since then. I use Pinterest as my main traffic source, and I'm confident the earnings will keep growing over time. Sounds crazy, doesn't it? Well, I'm about to show you step by step exactly how I did it and how you can start doing the same thing today. Stick around until the end because I'll also share a private shortcut that can help you launch your own profitable digital course business by tonight. I used Pinterest as my traffic source, so we'll searched for morning routine and found it's already a trending search term, which is a great sign. I clicked on it, and it showed me the morning routine trend chart. And as you can see, it is set to explode in August this year, making it one of the best product ideas so far. Now let's move ahead and see what types of pins people are creating to promote their digital products. Scroll down and you'll see other major stats, but we'll focus on popular pins. Click on any one of them to see what your competitors are doing and promoting. I clicked and found this pin, which already got close to 200 likes and 100 comments, which confirms that the product idea is good to go. So we'll create a new morning routine checklist and upload it on Pinterest. And to create it, so let's move on to the next step of creating our digital product. So head over to your Canva dashboard and search for daily checklist in the search bar. We'll take inspiration for our design from here and use some basic templates, but modify them to deliver real value. You can also build them from scratch, but for this video, I'll stick to the digital product selling part. However, feel free to subscribe and comment if you want a full tutorial on designing your own digital product from scratch. Now go through these templates and look for something that closely matches your niche or the idea you have in mind. I found this one that closely fits our morning routine planner, so I'll choose this one for my design. Click on your preferred design, and Canva will open it in a new window. Once it's open, we can start editing it to make it unique and aligned with our brand theme. First, I will make the duplicate of it, and edit the duplicate one as the first one is good for inspiration and design backup. Then, I'll begin by changing the text, then adjusting the fonts and colors. For the background, I'm going to do a few tweaks. Watch closely how I do it to make the product more useful and attractive for future buyers. After a while, I'm ready with 2 beautiful morning checklists following the same steps. Our goal is to create something new and attractive that makes buyers eager to purchase it. So make your designs unique with your own creativity. Now we can download our designs to the computer. Just make sure to delete the template we used for inspiration, as selling someone else's product isn't right. Only download and sell the ones you personally created. To download, go to Share and click on Download. It will ask you to select your preferred format, so make sure to change it to PDF print and then choose the CMYK color format, as it's best for selling online products while maintaining the original quality of your designs. Now you can simply click on Download. That's it. We're now ready to list it on Gumroad. This will help us optimize our listing better, making it look professional and gaining users' trust. Here you can notice that I included space for the topic you can use for your digital product. But overall, this will give us the title, description, and other essential details that we need to upload alongside our digital product on Gumroad. Now you can simply hit enter, and this will start creating the best marketing-friendly title and description for our product. Once it's created, we can switch back to the Gumroad tab and fill out all the information there. Now we can move to our next step, bringing traffic to your sales page. For that, I recommend using Pinterest. Yes, I know you might have a question. Can we upload direct links on Pinterest or not? Could it get our accounts banned, etc.? Well, I found that doing it aggressively can look suspicious to Pinterest. And I'll be making a full tutorial on how to properly add links on Pinterest. Subscribe if you want to see that video on adding direct affiliate links in the near future.